we are back with a new game-winning recipe. But before I reveal what that is, check out my modified net. Do you like it? We are heading into fall and I'm featuring a new item. Look, what's it going to be? We are going to be playing She Shoots, She Scores. All right, here we go. First shot. That was a good one. I got that first try. Second shot, here we go. Ready? Oh, good one. Last shot, here we go. Are you ready? Hi, I hope you like that. We are making my Lucky 7 quiche. Lucky 7 quiche. You can take this to a potluck or a potluck party or even a jackpot kind of a party. This is what you're going to need. Only 7 ingredients. How do you like that, Maple? Make this in 7 minutes if you get all this put together. Here we go. So you're going to need 3 eggs. Next, you're going to need 1/2 cup of pancake mix of one kind or another. Powdered milk, instant powdered milk. There's all kinds. Take the kind that you like or prefer most. You will also need 1/4 cup of melted butter. Butter is best, but if you don't have butter, you can use vegetable oil or even margarine. Ham, and I'm going to cube this into about 1/2 cup. It wouldn't be a jackpot or a lucky pot, kind of a lucky pot, what do you call those? Potluck parties. A Fiesta blend or whatever kind of cheese you have that you like. If it's grated or shredded, it makes it go so much faster. It's like the fastest quiche in the West. Next, if you have the time, you could chop up an onion. Or if you're thinking fast and quick, you can always use some minced onion instead. You're going to need a nice baking tray or a pan. I'm going to use a 9 by 13. I'm going to just put cheese and the ham cubes in the bottom. Don't forget to grease your pan. So here's our buttered tray. Quick, easy, fast. Next. Now if you put this in the fridge and it chills, it'll be a lot easier to cube. So about 1 cup. And our cheese. I'm just adding this just like this. We're going to sprinkle it on the bottom. Next, 1/2 cup of instant milk. Next, we'll add, I'm going to use pancake mix just because it's open and it's available. Same amount, pancake mix. Next, we'll add the liquid ingredients. Make sure you don't have any pre-lumps. All right, remember those eggs? We need 3 of them. I'm going to crack them into here. If you're not sure about your eggs or your egg cracking skills, you can always put them in, check the egg, and then put them in. All 3 are in. And your 1/4 cup melted butter. To this, we're going to add 1.5 cups filtered water. Do not use tap water. Filtered water. Best results. It's a mixer. I hope you like it. It's my newest appliance. This will only take a second. That was awesome. Okay, the last things that need to go in. It wouldn't be a Canadian quiche without Montreal steak spice. You are going to need 1/2 teaspoon of Montreal steak spice, Now you can always add more, but you don't want to overload it. And remember about that chopped onion? If you don't want to chop an onion and get your eyes poofy, because that happens, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of minced onion flakes. So this is a basic ham and onion quiche. Now there's other kinds of quiches. There's quiche with broccoli, quiche with spinach. There's quiche with bacon. Oh, that would be a really good one too. But I'm just showing you the basics. You can then add whatever you would like. And it's ready. Let's just pour this over the bottom. Preheat the oven 350 degrees Fahrenheit and put it in for almost an hour. So while we're waiting for the oven to finish up, if you've ever had a quiche, your most favorite kind, let me know in the comments section below what your favorite kind of quiche is. I love quiche and I'm always experimenting to make them better. If you like this video so far, maybe consider liking it. Maybe even share it to someone else who likes quiche, or maybe just wants to have a recipe that's a quick go-to, 7 ingredients. It's about as easy as you can get and takes almost 7 minutes just putting together, not counting bake time, of course. Also, before I forget, if you like my video really a whole lot, maybe consider subscribing. That would really help me out. So don't forget to smash that button. There, right out of the oven. Yum, look at all that ham and cheese. Mmm, that's nice. Mmm. Mmm. Well, that's it for today. I hope you liked today's video of Lucky 7 quiche. And thank you again for sticking around to the end. Until next time, do take care and au revoir. Mmm. Yum.